Hi everyone, welcome back to Now is an Update. And as you all know that we normally break down complex questions, requests and problems on this channel. So we have a lot of requests. Students are not be able to take part in the discussion forum. They were confused, so they needed to know how they can be able to take their TMA, and firstly they needed to know how they can take part in the discussion forum because everything have changed now. Zones has been added. Before zones were not there, but now zones has been added. So I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to access your TMA and do the discussion forum. Either you are a new student or you are a returning student. So just take back and watch it one after the other. How I'm going to do it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your eLearn portal. If you know that you want to take your TMA, you have to go to eLearn portal, and the URL is elearn.nou.edu.ng. So you just type that in your browser. So this one's like this is the this is it. So you can just type that in your browser, and to take it to your login page, login with your username and your password. Please note, if you're a new student and you are a fresher, you just register your courses and your exam. You cannot log in immediately. It will take like 2, 3 to 5 days before you can log in. And your login details will be sent to your student email address. Please note that because we normally get those things to be sent to you. So, but returning student, use your default, your previous password that you're using to log in. Just log in. Once you log in, to take you to this home page. Decide to use device like smartphone, so that because I know a lot of students are using this, so that it will be easy for them, and this is where they're having a lot of issues. Then you click on this hamburger, this menu. See where I'm pointing to, this one. You type on that, you click on that. Once you have logged in, click on this to show you something like this: dashboard, site, home, calendar, private files, and my course. What you need is to tap on this my courses, this one. So you tap on that my courses, then this, let's click on it. So you click on this my courses like this. It's going to load up. uh, it's going to load up. So we're going to solve these problems of I don't know how to take part in the discussion forum and all sorts. So I don't know. I think the network is a bit slow. It's supposed to have loaded up by now. So let me just let's hold on. It's loading. Oh, I think there is issue with network. Let's reload. Let's reload it. Just hold on. Let me just load it. Yeah, it just loaded up right now. So just loaded up right now. So this is your courses. So we just click on this my courses, and it's load up this for us. So it's load up this for all. You see, these are the courses. Then you want to take your TMA. You have not been able to take your TMA. This is a real challenges you're having. So let's say for instance I want to take TMA for this part 305. Then I click on the course like this. I just click on it. It's going to load up, and this is what I'm going to see. Let me say let's go to TMA. If you click on TMA now, it's not going to load. Can you see what it's saying? It said not available unless any of the activity discussion from 2 North Central is marked or East. Also, these are the zones that are there right now, unlike before that there is no zone. So right now you have zone. You cannot take TME without participating in the discussion forum. So let's do that. So what you just need to do is to come to week 1 for TME 1 to open. You have to do this week 1 and week 2. That is for TME 1. Therefore, TME 2 to open, you have to take part in the discussion forum week 3 and week 4. Then for TMA 3 to open, you have to take part in the discussion from week 5 and week 6. So I think you understand that before you can take part in the discussion forum. So let's go for instance, TMA 1 has not opened, so we want to take part in the discussion forum. So you click on week 1, let it load up. It's going to load up something like this for you. So please note, it's going to show all the zones that we have in now. So we're going to show us, say this is North Central, those people in Abuja and all sorts. So we have Northeast, we have Northwest, then we have Southeast, we have South, and we have Southwest. Please take note of one thing. All of them, if you click on it, if you click on the one that is not your zone, it's not going to click. It's not going to go. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's not going to go at all. So you will see the one that is yours. This how to locate it. See this one now. Can you see that I clicked on it? It loads immediately because this is person zones. So if you click on any other zone, it's not going to load up. If you are finding it difficult and you don't know how to go about it, just click on all the zones. But you should know your zones in Abuja, Southwest, Southeast. So it was divided into zones. So I just click on the zones. That is how I can be able to take part in the discussion forum. Please note, let me go back again so that you can understand what I'm saying. So I need to take part. I click on week 1 because I wanted to this is week 1. I wanted to take TMA 1. TMA 1 you must do week 1 and week 2. I repeat, week 1 and week 2 before TMA 1 will open. So if you click on week 1, you see this other one will not open. To say not available, you belong to no, you can you see, unless you belong to this, so it not belong to this, because this one does not show all these not available. These ones that shows it, they are not your time, they are not your zones. But this one that not show it is your zones. But if you are even still confused, just click on the zones one after the other. If peradventure you don't know your zones, but say I just click on this North Central now, it's going to load up for me, and I can now take part in the discussion forum. So this see the facilitation questions. Either you can either reply or put a question here, or reply to your students questions as well and answer them. So let's see, TM1 didn't open up for all before, so let's click on, let's ask a questions here. Let me possibly put some questions there and you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, for me to answer this facilitator questions, you have to click on reply. So if I click on reply now, a box is going to show. Can you see the box? So I can type in my questions here, and once I type in my question, I'll now click on post. Then that means I'll take part in the week 1 discussion forum. Then I will now go to week 2. Let's do that. Can you see something? I just took part in the week 1 discussion forum, and you say, can you see post reply 1? That means it has been done. So I can now go to week 2 again and do the same thing. You can just go back. Let's go back to the week. So I've finished week 1. Can you see? It marks it. You will see week 2 now. Can you see? You say done. That means week 1 has been done. Week 1 discussion forum has been done. Still yet, your TMA will now open. I told you that if before your TMA will open, you have to take part in discussion forum 1, which is week 1 and week 2. Can you see? So this is TMA 1, it has not opened. So let's go back to week 2. This is week 2. I just click on week 2 now. Then can you see North Central discussion forums? Can you see? I can click on it because this is my time zone. You have to click on this zone before it will open up. This is discussion forum. Then I have the questions again from the facilitator. Then the students have already put their questions and also there. So let's put my own. Can you see this one is only one done? View. I just view it. I have not posted. I have not replied to anything. So once I reply, this one will also be returned done. So let's do that right away. And if you want to do that, just click on reply. That to the facilitator or to the student. So I want to type my question and put it there. Yeah, I just type my questions and click on post. So I just type my questions and click on post. If you type it and this thing is taking too long, just click on this arrow up. It will take you to the first. So just click on reply, type in your questions or answer to the questions of the facilitator, then click on post. That means you've done it. Then after that, to show you that done, can you see post reply done? Now we can now have access to TMA1. I cannot have access to TMA1. So let's go to TMA. You can click on this hamburger again. This same hamburger to click on my course. This hamburger, yeah, this one. You can click on it. So you click on it like this. You click on my courses. I just click on my courses. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also come to this place. You can just move back. If that one is taking too long, just go back like this. Let it go back. Can you see it has go back to this place? So you cancel because can you see discussion forum 2 is also done. That's why it's showing me done. Right now TMA1 will open because I have done discussion forum for week 1 and for week 2. Let's go to TMA now. If you click on TMA, let's click on it. Just hold on. So as I was saying, and so we want to click on TMA now. So we just click on TMA, and sorry, I have a lot of stuff. So we just click on TMA now, and so as I was saying, so you have a lot of you have a lot of now if click on TMA, so it's going to give us these options. Can you see that TMA1 have opened now? Unlike TMA2, see TMA2 is asking us to do the same thing for TMA2. But before we can attempt TMA2, you must answer TMA1 questions and submit it. Then you must submit week 3 and week 4 discussion forum. Just the same way we did it. See, if I click on it now, TMA1 will open. So this is how you can be able to see if you click on it, TMA1 is going to open up to you and you can be able to take your TMA. So that is as simple as that. Just go to your discussion forum week 1, go to week 1, click on your time zone, your zone, then do the discussion forum for it. Then week 2, this discussion forum and TMA1 will open. Same thing to TMA2. And also thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope this video has added value and also show you how you can go about it. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly give us a like, comment, share to other people who are finding it difficult, and also subscribe to this. It's going to help us and it's going to boost our morale to do a lot of videos and solve a lot of problems that you guys are facing. Thank you once again. Bye. See you in another video.